Seek out hiring automation honest review watch before using. Most people assume hiring platforms are just for posting jobs, but Seek Out goes beyond that by helping recruiters find, engage, and manage top talent efficiently. Seek Out is an AI-driven recruiting platform that sources candidates from multiple channels, including social media, resumes, and professional networks. One standout feature is its advanced search and filtering capabilities, which allow recruiters to target candidates based on skills, experience, diversity, and availability. Most people get this wrong. They assume automated hiring tools are impersonal. The surprising truth is Seek Out emphasizes candidate engagement with personalized outreach templates, automated follow-ups, and tracking features, which helps maintain human touch while saving time. Another advantage is analytics. Recruiters can measure pipeline effectiveness, diversity metrics, and response rates to optimize hiring strategies. Integration with ATS systems makes workflow smoother, reducing manual data entry. However, there are considerations. Seek Out can have a learning curve for beginners, and premium features may require higher-tier subscriptions. It also works best for mid to large companies with ongoing recruitment needs. In conclusion, Seek Out is a powerful tool for recruiters looking to streamline hiring, engage candidates effectively, and access a broader talent pool. Its combination of AI automation, analytics, and engagement tools makes recruiting smarter and faster. Subscribe for more honest hiring automation reviews before investing in recruitment technology.